Calculating percent of total in Power BI. Hi everyone, today we're going to create a percentage of total metric in Power BI. We'll compare the fast method using the visualization UI with the powerful method of creating a reusable DAX measure. 1. Quick method, using the UI. This method is quick and ideal for one-off displays, but it lacks flexibility. Locate the field. In the Values area of your visual, locate the field you want to calculate the percentage for, example, sum of sales. Apply calculation. Click the drop-down arrow next to the field, select Show Value As, and choose Percent of Grand Total. The column will immediately display each state's sales as a percentage of the total sales across all states. Note that this method respects current filters on the report page. 2. Advanced method, creating a DAX measure. Creating a calculated measure using DAX provides a dynamic calculation that can be reused across multiple visuals. Create a new measure. In your table visual, select New Measure. Define the calculation. Define the measure to divide the total sales by the grand total. Use the Calculate function on total sales with all, example, all of state, to remove any state-level filters. This yields the fixed grand total. 3. Add to visual. Add the new measure to your visual. 4. Formatting the result. The final step is to format the new measure correctly. Format pane. After placing the measure in the view, open the formatting pane. Set the format. Set the number format to percentage, example 0%. The values will now appear as percentages, example 12%. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.